Did you know that the country of Georgia has one of the world's oldest winemaking traditions, dating back over 8,000 years by some estimates? Or that the country boasts 4 UNESCO World Heritage Sites? And how about the fact that Georgia's landscapes range from the snow-capped peaks of the Caucasus Mountains to lush valleys and picturesque coastlines along the Black Sea? Nestled at the crossroads of Europe and Asia, Georgia is a land of extraordinary beauty and rich history, where ancient traditions coexist with vibrant modern life. Our journey begins in Tbilisi, the beating heart of Georgia, and a city that embodies the country's unique blend of old and new. Tbilisi's charm lies in its contrasts. Ancient churches stand beside modern buildings, and traditional markets hum with life, just steps away from trendy cafes and art galleries. A walking tour of Tbilisi is the perfect way to get acquainted with the city. Start in the historic Old Town, where you'll wander through narrow, winding streets lined with colorful houses adorned with ornate wooden balconies. The Old Town is a living museum, filled with centuries-old churches, including the 𝐒𝐚𝐯𝐶 Basilica, the oldest surviving church in Tbilisi. As you explore the city, make your way to the Narikala fortress, a symbol of Tbilisi's resilience and one of the best vantage points to view the city. The fortress, which dates back to the 4th century, overlooks the Kura River, offering sweeping views of the city's sprawling urban landscape against the backdrop of distant mountains. Below the fortress lies the Metekhi church, perched on a cliff above the river, where you can take in the tranquil scene beneath the historic Metekhi Bridge. Don't miss the chance to unwind in Tbilisi's famous sulfur baths, which have been soothing weary travelers for centuries. Just a short drive from Tbilisi is Metekhi, one of Georgia's oldest cities, and a treasure trove of religious and historical significance. Once the capital of the ancient kingdom of Iberia, Metekhi is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site, home to some of the country's most sacred sites. The �絵𝐤 Cathedral, an architectural marvel of the Georgian Orthodox Church, is said to house the robe of Christ, making it one of the holiest places in the country. A visit to the 𝐒𝐤 Monastery, perched on a hill overlooking the confluence of the Metekhi and 𝐒𝐤 rivers, offers both spiritual reflection and breathtaking views. Leaving the historical heartland, we head north along the Georgian Military Highway, a route that has connected travelers for centuries with the dramatic landscapes of the Caucasus Mountains. The journey to Kazbegi, also known as 𝐒𝐻𝐻, is an adventure in itself, winding through narrow mountain passes, deep gorges, and along rivers with crystal-clear waters. On the way, stop at the Ananuri Fortress, a picturesque complex that stands on the banks of the 𝐒𝐤 River. The fortress, with its towers and churches, is a window into Georgia's medieval past and provides a perfect photo opportunity. Continuing up the mountains, the towering Mount Kazbegi comes into view. This majestic peak, standing at over 5,000 meters, is one of the highest in the Caucasus and is steeped in legend and lore. The area around Kazbegi is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, with countless trails leading through alpine meadows, past rushing waterfalls, and up to the famous Gergeti Trinity Church. Perched at 2,170 meters above sea level, the church is one of Georgia's most recognizable landmarks, offering unparalleled views of Mount Kazbegi and the surrounding mountains. The hike to the church is both challenging and rewarding, and once you reach the top, the sight of the ancient stone church against the backdrop of snow-capped peaks is a memory that will stay with you forever. Our journey continues to Svaneti, a region often referred to as the Land of 1,000 Towers because of its numerous medieval stone towers that dominate the landscape. This remote and rugged area, nestled deep in the greater Caucasus Mountains, is a world apart from the rest of Georgia. Svaneti has preserved its unique culture, language, and traditions over the centuries, largely due to its isolation. The villages of Mestia and 𝐒𝐤 are the cultural hubs of Svaneti, where you can immerse yourself in the local way of life. Mestia is the main town in the region and serves as the starting point for treks into the surrounding mountains, which are some of the highest and most challenging in Europe. 𝐒𝐤, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is one of the highest continuously inhabited settlements in Europe, and its setting amidst the dramatic peaks of the Caucasus is nothing short of breathtaking. The journey to 𝐒𝐤 from Mestia is an adventure in itself, taking you through narrow mountain roads, across roaring rivers, and through lush valleys. From the mountains, we make our way to the Black Sea coast, where the city of Batumi awaits. Batumi, the capital of the 𝐒𝐤 region, is a city of contrasts and surprises. Known for its modern architecture, vibrant nightlife, and subtropical climate, Batumi offers a different side of Georgia. The city's seaside promenade, Batumi Boulevard, is a delightful place to stroll, with views of the Black Sea on one side and the city's eclectic skyline on the other. The boulevard is lined with sculptures, fountains, and cafes, making it a lively spot both day and night. Batumi's botanical garden, located on the outskirts of the city, is a must-visit for nature lovers. The garden spans over 100 hectares and is home to thousands of plant species from around the world, all thriving in the region's mild climate. The views from the garden's clifftop location are stunning, with the lush greenery descending towards the blue waters of the Black Sea. Next, visitors to Georgia may be interested in exploring its rich winemaking heritage, and the best place to do that is in the region of Kakheti. Kakheti is the cradle of Georgian wine, and its vineyards are among the oldest in the world. The town of Telavi is the heart of Kakheti, and an excellent base for exploring the region's wineries and vineyards. Georgian wine is known for its unique production methods, including the use of 𝐒𝐤, large clay vessels buried underground to ferment and age the wine. Take a tour of a traditional winery to see this ancient process in action, and of course to taste the fruits of the vine. The Alazani Valley, with its rolling vineyards and distant mountains, provides a picture-perfect backdrop for your wine tasting experience. Beyond the vineyards, Kakheti is also home to historical sites like the 𝐒𝐤 Monastery and the Gergeti Citadel, both of which add to the region's allure. From the fertile lands of Kakheti, we travel to the ancient cave town of 𝐒𝐤, one of Georgia's most fascinating archaeological sites. 𝐒𝐤, which means Fortress of the Lord, was an important center of pagan worship before the spread of Christianity in Georgia. The town is carved directly into the rocky cliffs of the 𝐒𝐤 region, and its labyrinth of tunnels, halls, and temples offers a glimpse into life thousands of years ago. Wander through the winding passageways and imagine what life must have been like in this ancient rock-hewn city. The views from 𝐒𝐤 are spectacular, with the surrounding landscape stretching out as far as the eye can see. Traveling west from 𝐒𝐤 brings us to the town of Borjomi, nestled in a verdant valley surrounded by mountains. Borjomi is famous for its mineral waters, which have been sought after for their healing properties for centuries. The Borjomi Karagali National Park, located nearby, is one of the largest protected areas in Europe and offers a wide range of outdoor activities, from hiking and birdwatching to horseback riding and camping. The park's diverse ecosystems, which range from dense forests to alpine meadows, are home to a variety of wildlife, including deer, bears, and eagles. Whether you're looking to relax in nature or embark on an outdoor adventure, Borjomi and its surrounding national park offer something for everyone. For those interested in Georgia's religious and cultural heritage, a visit to the 𝐷𝐴𝐽𝐺𝐻 Monastery complex is essential. This complex, located on the arid slopes of Mount 𝐿𝐵𝐽𝐺 near the border with Azerbaijan, is one of the most important religious sites in Georgia. The monastery was built in the 6th century by St. David Gergeti, one of 13 Assyrian fathers who brought Christianity to Georgia. The complex is partially carved into the rock and consists of numerous churches, chapels, and living quarters, some of which are adorned with beautiful frescoes. The stark and rugged landscape surrounding the monastery adds to its mystical atmosphere, making a visit here a truly unique experience. Our exploration of Georgia's natural wonders continues with a visit to Martvili Canyon in the 𝐒𝐚𝐤 region. This hidden gem is a natural paradise, where emerald green waters flow through a deep gorge lined with lush vegetation. Take a boat trip along the canyon to fully appreciate its beauty as you glide past waterfalls, caves, and steep cliffs. The serenity of Martvili Canyon, combined with its stunning scenery, makes it a perfect spot for relaxation and contemplation. For the more adventurous, the nearby 𝐒𝐚𝐯 Canyon offers thrilling suspension bridges and hiking trails with breathtaking views. Finally, we venture to the remote and wild region of Tusheti, located in the greater Caucasus Mountains. Tusheti is one of Georgia's most isolated regions. The journey is an adventure in itself, with roads winding through dramatic mountain passes, along cliff edges, and through pristine forests. But the effort is well worth it, as Tusheti is a place of untouched natural beauty and cultural preservation. The region's traditional villages, with their stone towers and wooden houses, seem frozen in time, offering a glimpse into a way of life that has remained unchanged for centuries. For those seeking adventure, Tusheti offers some of the best hiking and horseback riding trails in the country, with routes that take you through alpine meadows, over high mountain passes, and into deep valleys. From the vibrant streets of Tbilisi to the towering peaks of the Caucasus, Georgia is a country that captivates with its natural beauty, rich history, and warm hospitality. Whether you're exploring ancient monasteries, tasting the world's oldest wine, or simply soaking in the stunning landscapes, Georgia promises an unforgettable experience that will leave you longing for more. If you enjoyed this journey through Georgia's most beautiful places, be sure to check out more videos from Stunning Sightseeing. We bring you the world's most breathtaking destinations, both in Georgia and outside of it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join us on more adventures around the globe.